Here is a special weather statement for the following counties in Ohio: Auglaize, Butler, Champaign, Clark, Claremont, Clinton, Darke, Delaware, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hamilton, Hardin, Licking, Logan, Madison, Mercer, Miami, Montgomery, Pickaway, Preble, Shelby, Union, and Warren, and the following counties in Indiana: Dearborn, Fayette, Franklin, Ohio, Ripley, Switzerland, Union, and Wayne, and the following counties in Kentucky: Boone, Campbell, Cattle, Gallatin, and Kenton. Some light freezing rain possible late tonight into Saturday morning. Scattered light rain showers are expected to develop late tonight. Surface temperatures will be near or a little below freezing when the precipitation begins, so some of the showers may fall as freezing rain. This may lead to some icy spots on area roadways late tonight and into Saturday morning. The freezing rain threat will decrease through mid-morning as temperatures rise above freezing and the precipitation tapers off. If you are planning travel late tonight or Saturday morning, be prepared for the possibility of some slick roadways.